Here's what a day of eating looks like as a 39-year-old online coach focused on single ingredient, nutrient dense foods. Rye, 3 fat eggs, wild smoked salmon, black pudding, and light mozzarella, which will trigger the whole food purists. Quick cut to the most butchered exercise and fitness classes. Easy, nutrient-packed lunch, grass-fed beef, broccoli, and kidney beans. This puts the government food pyramid to shame. Despite my huge glutes, I've never performed hip thrusts, and a massive fillet steak with lots of veg works for dinner. Finish off with a long walk and follow if you're a fox.